Okay, what is up everyone? My name's Scott. Here we are editing the crap, dude. Hello everyone, my name is Scott. I am here editing up the second video. This video is gonna have the seat unboxing, the plastics unboxing, and it getting put together. In the next video I'll do the full walk around and ride around, but right now I'll cut to me unboxing the seat and the plastics. So let's go. Okay, here we go. Here's the tall seat. I am gonna go ahead and unbox it. So, I'll go ahead and post the link for this in the description. It was $25. And there it is. It's just a all black tall seat, but it feels nice and grippy and should be good. Alrighty, so here we have the plastics. We're gonna go ahead and open up. Once again, got these off eBay. So I went ahead and I went with white. And I'm going to be going ahead and getting some nice red graphics to go with it. So I got this with the hardware needed as well. So here they are. Like I said, I went with white. So here they are. White plastics. They look really good. I'm gonna go install them. I'll show you it when they are on. Okay guys, I went ahead and put on the plastics, and I thought I would just give you guys an update video of the finished build here. The red frame, the street tires. It is raining here in good old sunny California. So it's a bummer, can't really ride it to its full potential right now, but I can still go ahead and do an update here. Looks really nice. I'm really happy with it. The kickstand is on the way, that's coming tomorrow. But yeah, so here it is, the finished build. Really clean, as I said before. Really nice feeling here. So I guess I'll just get it started up for you guys here. Let's see, first kick. Even in the cold weather, it still runs nice and strong. And it died. But there it is. So yeah, catch you later. Okay, so there it is, the finished build. I'm gonna go ahead and post up another video of a much better, cleaner walk around. But that concludes that video right there. But yeah, so go check out the next video I'm about to upload, and I'll see you guys there. Bye.